Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Policygenius for policy document downloads, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Policygenius website. Locate the login section on the homepage. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Click on the login button to access your account. If you have forgotten your password, select the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password via your email. Once logged in, evaluate your dashboard for policy options. Select the specific policy for which you need the document. Click on the View Documents or similar option associated with that policy. If prompted, complete any multi-factor authentication steps to verify your identity. This may include entering a code sent to your email or phone. After successfully authenticating, your policy documents will be accessible. Review the available documents associated with your selected policy. Click on the desired document to initiate the download process. Ensure that your device has the appropriate software to open the document type. Your document will typically download to your computer or device's default download location. Open the downloaded file to review your policy information. If necessary, print or save the document for your records. In case of any issues, refer to the support section of the Policygenius website. You can find FAQs or contact customer support for further assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.